Hello guys, welcome to another video of Indro TV. Today we are going to see how to make the strongest stencil on the skin ever. Because this is the first thing that make a problem when we are learning. So let's go to see. The first of all is clean the skin with water and soap. Right now, so I don't going to tattoo, but I'm going to make the exercise and then you can check it. Water and soap, and then we can make a little bit massage, and then we are going to clean very good the skin. We are going to take off all the dirty micro particles. So we are going to clean very good with water and soap with a little bit massage. Then we can dry, and in that moment we are going to shave the skin. Always on the skin, maybe we can see, but there is a small hair that can make our stencil that goes very fast. Why? Because you put the stencil, and in that really small hair that you can't appreciate, so the stencil goes on top, and then when you clean, you remove the stencil on the hair. So then for that you lose very fast the stencil. And the other thing is, when you shave, you are going to clean with this kind of alcohol. It's a 96 degrees alcohol. Don't clean with stencil remover, because the stencil remover has another ingredients that can make a little bit softer the cleaning. So alcohol 96 degrees. With this, we put in the paper. So we are going to clean just one area with alcohol. We are going to clean this area with alcohol, the skin. We can make a small massage with the alcohol, and then we are going to appreciate how the skin goes a little bit like plastic, no? This part of the skin lost that humidity natural of the skin. And then in the other side, we are going to see what happened when we put the stencil, but we don't clean before with the alcohol. Okay, let's go to see, and then we are going to see what happened. Let's go. If you want to have a very strong stencil, you need to use a very good quality stencil product. In this case, we are going to use Imbro tattoo stencil. It's very strong and it's very good. The most important point is when you put the liquid on the skin, have to be with a little bit humidity, but no wet. Okay, this is the point. So you can see with humidity, but no wet, okay? Okay guys, did you see already? You can see that also the difference in this moment in the area where we put the alcohol, so the stencil looks a little bit stronger. And the area where we don't have the alcohol, so when we didn't put the alcohol, the stencil we appreciate a little bit softer. Okay, so normally when we are going to start to make the tattoo, we press with the paper on the stencil, and then we take off the excess of the stencil transfer. Right now we are going to wait, and we will do this just before to start to tattoo. We wait 5 minutes. So we took off the excess of the stencil with the paper, and right now we can start to tattoo. So I'm going to try with the water directly, and we are going to see what is the effect. So you can see here, we lose a little bit of stencil, and we are going to see in the area where we put the alcohol, okay? Rust, you can see more and more and more and more. Look at this, the difference. So look at what a difference. If you put the alcohol on top of the skin, going to be much more time stronger. Then you can work much more easier. Okay guys, right now you know how to make our transfer very good, and then we are going to make a recopilation. So first, clean the skin with water and soap. Clean very good. After clean the skin with water and soap, we are going to shave the area. Shave the area, and then we are going to clean it with alcohol. Alcohol 96 degrees, no stencil remover, okay? Because the stencil remover has another materials and other ingredients. This works with 96 degrees. Then the skin goes a little bit like plastic and lost a little bit this surface hydration that the skin has normally. And then the stencil with a very thin layer, okay? A little bit humidity, but no wet, just a very thin layer. You can put the stencil paper and then don't move, take off the paper, and then take off the excess of the stencil in the skin. So, okay guys, I hope this video is useful for you. If you like it, push the button like. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe. And if you want, you can put some comments, okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.